In front of me is Xiaomi 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. Then go into Settings to hit Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Other Settings to hit Default Apps. Now you need to select Launcher, click on Launcher Pro, and tap on Home button to choose Allow All and enjoy your new launcher. To make some changes to it, go into Launcher app, and to go back to your default layout, access the same settings and tap on System Launcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!